Extra Space Storage is a self-storage company. We have 2,100 locations in the US, and we have about 1 million customers that we serve. Analytics and data is a key part of our strategy. About 5 years ago, we were looking to build our first enterprise data warehouse. We have a lot of departments within the company, and so we needed that single source of truth. Eide came in, did an assessment with us. They interviewed a lot of our stakeholders that were using our data and helped us come up with a plan and a roadmap. We started to look at ways we could modernize the data warehouse and move it to cloud.
Eide joined the team, and we had a really strong desire to make sure that when they rolled off the project that our team was able in-house to take over and continue to grow our Azure platform. So training and upskilling was a really big part of the project. They taught us a lot about the tools that are available, and we've only really scratched the surface on what options there are in Azure.
I think our data strategy really enables the growth for Extra Space because we're able to ingest so much more data leveraging Azure's cloud and how we want to use that data in the future. There's just a lot more possibilities for us.
Moving to the cloud has had a big impact on my team specifically. We're actually able to deliver data to end users much faster with higher efficiencies, greater reliability. So it just gives the business a lot more options on how they can make decisions.
One of the things I've always enjoyed about the relationship with Eide is our cultures are just really similar. And I've always looked at them as almost like an extension of my team. And one of the benefits to that is they care about our long-term success.
Really, Eide feels like a partner. They feel like part of our company. Like, they're so ingrained with us. They work really well. They don't feel like a consulting firm. I feel like they really believe in the success of our product and our projects, and they take as much ownership as we do. And so they want us to succeed, and they're just in it with us. It's great.